Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on spec-driven development presented by your mentor Vivek. Today we would be commencing section 6. In this section we would take a look on feature specs and build phases for Workshop Hub website. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it, okay? So here we go. New section, and it starts with the discipline that makes agent development actually work. Phases with stop points plus the file structure, the three working files, and the implementation mode. Let's finish the constitution's machinery. Let's understand the file structure. First, the file structure section. Quick one. Base visual theme, a full web layout for one of the site's themes. Dashboard design, the provisional dashboard images. Then CLAUDE.md itself and the Laravel project folder using the standard structure for PHP and Laravel projects. That's the whole map. Let's check out the phases and stop points. Okay. Now, development phases. The sequence: study the project specifications first, always. Then create the database. Then follow the development phases exactly as defined in the features section. And the rule that changes everything: stop after each phase. Test what was built, correct, improve, then continue. Give an agent too much at once and it leaves loose ends everywhere. The stop point is where quality happens. One more line. If the agent thinks the phasing can be optimized, it should say so in the implementation plan, not silently reorganize. Let's take a look at the three working files. Next, three working files, all in the project root: plan-script-implementation.md. The implementation plan lives there. Tasks.md. Every task and its status updated every single time a task completes. So every time a task completes, every task and its status gets updated. Prompts.md. Every prompt I write gets logged here, logged there, in order, and look at what we just built: specs in CLAUDE.md, planning in the plan file, tasks in the tasks file. That is spec-driven development laid out in files. Let's take a look at the implementation mode. Okay. Finally, the implementation mode. How the agent operates. Just code. Minimal comments. The code should be self-explanatory. And comment spam burns tokens. Don't explain the code in chat. A summary of what was done is enough. Language. Respond to me in English. Internal prompts. Whatever language works best. And the ambiguity rule. When something's unclear and small, take the simplest option that breaks nothing. Bigger doubts still follow the golden rule. Ask. Structure mapped, phases disciplined, working files defined, implementation mode set. The machinery is done. Now we write the actual specs. Up next, hybrid SDD versus strict SDD. Two ways to write a spec and which one we will use. So stay tuned and peace out.